everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to make a simple, wholesome and comforting Kala Chana Kadhi. This goes excellent with nice hot steaming rice. So let's get started and check it out. For more interesting and tasty curry recipes, click on the link at the end of the video. For this recipe, I've taken 1 250 ml cup of Kala Chana and I've soaked it overnight. So first we are going to pressure cook the Kala Chana. To the pressure cooker, add the soaked chana. Pour enough water so the chana is completely immersed in it. Just add about half teaspoon of salt. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. What is the first dish that comes to mind when you hear Kala Chana? Let me know in the comment section. So now we're going to make the curry mixture. For this, to a bowl I'm adding 400 grams of fresh curd. To this, add 4 tablespoons of besan, that is gram flour. Along with this, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. So I'm just using a whisk to mix everything. So I'm just going to pour a little water to dilute the mixture. Once you've got this nice creamy consistency, keep the curry mixture aside. Now we're going to make the Kala Chana Kadhi. To the kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, add 2 red chilies cut, 3 green chilies slit and a few fresh curry leaves. Maintain the flame on a low and give it a quick mix. Now add 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger and mix everything. After about 30 seconds, add a small cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. This is going to give a nice flavor to the kadhi. Now add the cooked Kala Chana. Mix the chana and cook for about 2 minutes. The aroma is so fresh and nice. The combination of coriander leaves, curry leaves and of course fresh ginger. Now I'm going to add the prepared curry mixture. Maintain the flame on low and just mix everything in. I'm going to dilute this mixture by adding the cooked chana water. We're going to gradually let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium-low flame. You can check for seasoning at this point and add a little salt if needed. So you can see it's beautifully thickened. The mixture is cooked. The oil is beginning to separate. Look at that gorgeous color and that creamy texture. All the raw smell is gone and the curry looks and smells fabulous. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. To a tempering pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and quarter teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder. Just give it a quick mix. Turn off the stove and pour this beautiful tempered ghee into the curry and gently mix everything well. Look at that gorgeous Kala Chana Kadhi. The aroma is incredible and the flavors are fabulous. Look at that gorgeous and golden Kala Chana Kadhi. The goodness of yogurt with the protein-rich Kala Chana is a fabulous combination that you will all absolutely enjoy. I'm serving this delicious Kala Chana Kadhi with some nice hot steaming basmati rice. Time to enjoy. The flavors of the kadhi is just amazing. And of course it goes so well with rice. I'm literally enjoying this. You don't want to miss this, guys. Well, that is such a wholesome and healthy dish. Of course, the protein-rich Kala Chana with that yogurt base is a fantastic combination. Well, do give it a try, enjoy and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.